Watch this. I just asked my AI agent a question from my phone, and it ran a real command on a server and sent the answer back to me on Telegram. I didn't touch my laptop. Actually, my laptop is closed right now. And by the end of this video, this same agent is going to write a brand new skill for itself, one that I never taught it. This is the Hermes Agent tutorial for beginners, a full step-by-step setup. And by the end, you'll have your own AI agent running 24/7, even when your computer is off. Quick heads up before we start, I use an affiliate link for the VPS down in the description, so if you go that route it supports the channel and it costs you nothing extra. Alright, let's get into it. So what is Hermes Agent really? Hermes Agent is an open-source AI agent built by Nous Research, and it's different from a normal chatbot in 3 big ways. First, it remembers. Most AI tools forget everything the second you close the tab, but Hermes keeps its memory across sessions, so it actually builds on your past work. Second, it learns. As it solves problems, it writes its own reusable skills and saves them, so it literally gets more capable the longer you use it. And third, it goes where you are. You can talk to it in your terminal, or through Telegram, Discord, and a bunch of other platforms. Think of it less like a chatbot and more like an assistant that grows with you. Now, here's the part most tutorials skip over, and it's the most important decision you'll make. Where do you actually run this thing? You can run Hermes right on your own laptop, and that's totally fine for testing. But here's the catch. An agent like this is designed to keep running. If you want it responding on Telegram at 2 in the afternoon while you're out, or running a scheduled task every morning, it needs to stay on. The moment you close your laptop or it goes to sleep, that all stops. That's why I run mine on a VPS instead. A VPS is basically a small private server in the cloud that stays online all the time, so your agent keeps its memory, keeps answering, and keeps working while your actual computer is off. And the good news is, you don't need anything expensive. The plan I'm using here is a basic KVM VPS. It's cheap, it runs on fast NVMe storage, and it's honestly more than enough for a beginner agent. I'll drop the exact one I use in the description, and there's an exclusive discount link down there if you want to set yours up the same way. Okay, let's install it. When you run the setup, Hermes gives you a few paths. There's the quick setup through the Nous portal, there's a full setup where you bring your own keys and configure everything yourself, and there's a blank slate that starts with almost nothing turned on. For beginners, I really recommend the quick setup. It's one login, no messing around with API keys, and it turns on a model plus the core tools in a single step. That alone saves you from the most common headache people hit on their first try. So here I am, logged into my VPS, and I'll run the install command. Let's watch it go. While that's installing, real quick, this is the exact VPS plan I'm running everything on. If you want the same setup, the exclusive discount link is in the description. Okay, and it's done. Now I'll pick my model provider, confirm the tool gateway is on, and that's the core of it. See how clean that was? No crashing, no weird errors, because the server just handles it. Let's test it with something simple. I'll ask it, what's my disk usage? Show me the top 5 largest folders. And there it goes. It actually runs the command in the terminal and gives me the real result, not some made-up text answer. That's the whole point. It doesn't just talk, it does. Now let's make this way more useful, because this is my favorite part for beginners. We're going to connect it to Telegram, so you can message your agent from your phone, from anywhere. I'll set up the gateway, select Telegram, and paste in my bot token. And here's one step a lot of tutorials skip, so pay attention. You want to lock this down to just your own account. You do that by setting your allowed user, so random people can't message your bot, and start running commands on your server. Takes 10 seconds, saves you a real headache. Now watch this. I'll grab my phone, open Telegram, and send my agent a message. And there it is, replying right back to me, running on that server, completely independent of my laptop. That's the moment it clicks for most people. You've basically got your own personal AI assistant in your pocket, awake all day and night. Okay, remember that promise from the very beginning? Let's close the loop. I'm going to give it a task it'll probably do again in the future, and then ask it to save that as a skill. Here's what makes Hermes special. Every few steps, it pauses and asks itself, what just happened? What worked? Should this become a skill? When the answer is yes, it writes the skill to its own skills folder as a simple markdown file, and it uses it going forward. So let's open the file it just created. Look at that. That's a skill the agent wrote for itself in plain text that you can read, edit, or delete. You didn't code that. You just did the task once, and now it knows how to do it forever. That's the whole get smarter the more you use it idea, and now you've seen it happen live. So let's recap what you just built. You've got an agent that remembers your work across sessions. You can talk to it from your phone through Telegram, and it teaches itself new skills as you go. The one thing that makes all of that actually run, all day, every day, is keeping it on a server that never sleeps. If you want your agent running 24/7 exactly like the one in this video, the VPS I used is linked in the description, and there's an exclusive hosting or VPS discount waiting for you there. Just a quick honest note, prices and plans can change, so double-check the current details on their page before you sign up. And that's it. That's your full Hermes Agent setup, start to finish. Next up, I'm going to show you the 5 most useful skills you can give your Hermes Agent to actually save hours every week. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I'll see you in that one.